Hey guys, Ed over at Olsen Motorsports here. So we have sitting here a 1990 964 C2. This is our new light restoration project.
You're watching Olsen Spec.
What do we mean by that? Well, light restoration is we are still going to restore this car, but we're not going to go quite into the depths that we do on our big full fabrication teardown builds. This car is still going to get repainted. It is though going to stay the same color. It is going to get new interior on it, but maybe not to the customizational specs that our full teardowns do. But again, we're still gonna put our own personal touches on it. This car is actually from one of our existing customers. He's had this sitting for a number of years, didn't really know what he wanted to do with it. But we kind of came to a conclusion. We've been working back and forth with him. So it is currently sitting at about 159,000 miles. This is an ideal car for any type of restoration. Overall, the car is in really good shape. We've got a little bit of corrosion here, but overall not bad. This is all fixable. Car is currently a 3.6 manual. We will be converting this to a 3.8. Now it will be staying stock ECU 3.8. We will be using a Steve Wong chip on it. That's just gonna give us some more displacement. It's gonna give us more power, but still not go into the larger budgets of doing the full Motec standalone, anything like that. What we're actually gonna be doing first on this car tomorrow is we're gonna be doing a complete pre-build inspection. We do these with our light restos versus our full because again, we're not replacing everything. So we wanna test everything. Every single switch, every light bulb, every bushing on the pedal assembly, interior. We're gonna spend the entire day tomorrow examining this car because we wanna know, all right, anything out of what we quoted on this light restoration, what needs to be addressed now versus when this car is going back together. That way we can let the customer know, we can get everything taken care of. And again, that's gonna help us streamline the process putting the vehicle back together. We are talking about doing a couple other customizational bits to it, something we can still do with the light restoration, some interior touches, exterior touches. We will be doing a complete suspension overhaul. So it's gonna be getting all new bushings, all new sway bar links, all of that stuff is still gonna get done. We are gonna be putting a set of JRZ RS1s on this car. We are still deciding what we're gonna do exhaust-wise, and also we're gonna still decide what we're gonna do headlight-wise. Hit us up in the comments if you wanna give us a good suggestion. We're excited to get this customer. He's been waiting for quite some time. This is gonna be his driver. This is a car that he wants to drive, take his wife out, enjoy, and we're excited to build this for him. So follow along. We're gonna be documenting this on all of our socials. We look forward to showing you guys the process and hopefully get a couple of you guys that have vehicles in this type of condition, wanting to bring it back to life and restore it. So hit us up on all of our socials, info@olsenmotorsports.net, Instagram, YouTube. Again, hit us up in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And yeah, stay tuned.